Former Metro Manila Development Authority Chairman and Marikina 1st District Representative Bayani Fernando wants to repeal the autonomous powers of local government units in managing traffic. Monokson will tell us why.
The whole stretch of EDSA is part of 6 cities, including Caloocan, Quezon City, Pasig, Mandaluyong, Makati, and Pasay. The Metropolitan Manila Development Authority admits that managing traffic along EDSA is a struggle because they don't have full control because every city has their own traffic rules based on the autonomous power given to them.
Yung pong LGUs ay may kanya-kanyang interest pagdating po sa usapang trapiko. At gayon din naman po ang MMDA may sarili namang interest niya para mapatakbo naman po ang daloy ng trapiko sa EDSA.
One example is the number coding scheme, which is implemented in all cities except in Marikina, Taguig, and Muntinlupa. While there is no window hours implemented in Makati and Las Piñas. This is just one of the problems that former MMDA chairman and Marikina 1st District Representative Bayani Fernando wants to resolve. Fernando is pushing for the Metro Manila Transport and Traffic Crisis Act. Under the proposed bill, the autonomy power of the LGU in managing the traffic will be repealed. With this, the MMDA will have more power to manage the traffic and will have the sole authority in traffic management in Metro Manila.
Kinakailangan palakasin natin ng MMDA. At yan ang magko-coordinate ng maging efektibo sila para sa pagko-coordinate ng traffic sa buong Metro Manila.
This will in some way help ease the heavy traffic in Metro Manila. MMDA said they are currently discussing the issue with the Metro Manila mayors that comprise the Metro Manila Council, but it is much better if a law will be passed.
Iba pa rin po siyempre yung magkaroon po talaga ng batas na nagsasabing ito na po talaga ang responsibilidad ng bawat isa sa atin.
Congressman Fernando is in favor of giving emergency powers to President Duterte. Monokson reporting for Y News.